So in a nutshell, in this presentation, I'll be looking at the preamble, the preliminary investigation we carried out, and the proposed system model, then the results and the prospects of the work. So first of all, to start with, why is this very, very important? These days, we know that drones are being used for logistics purpose in delivering for priority delivery of goods and for other purposes. But because of protecting territorial integrity, most people now use drones to do a lot of backends, and that makes the use of drone for future transportation now be at risk, because once there is an aerial vehicle in the air, someone is like, what is it about to do? So, and to be able to accelerate drone transportation, there is need for a safe and secure way of making use of drone, and that's the summary of this work. So, the normal way, in drone, to be able to assess a drone security, there are three major tasks. Is either you are tracking or localizing the drone, detecting and identifying the drone, then authentication and neutralization. Actually, the drone is not a problem. The potential risk of a drone is not the drone itself, but the object that is attached to the drone. So, to be able to do this, first of all, 40,178 cases of drone-related violations within the cities in the United States of America between January 2016 to December 2022. And that is about a 200% increment from the previous occurrences. And this simply shows that despite a lot of security architectures that are in place to curtail invasive use of drone, we find out that this sporadic rise in drone violations shows that the existing way of doing this is has a lot of issues. Therefore, how do we solve the issue of drone user intention tracking? How do we solve the problem of drone user identity? The issue of communication and others, how do we go about it? Now, previous works do this using just AI algorithm, that is in artificial intelligence, and makes use of different technologies, acoustic, thermal, vision, RF, radar, and what have you. And this has been in place, but they are ineffective, they are inefficient. And if we don't do something very, very drastic in order to improve the use of drone, then the drone usage might go into extinction. So in this work, what we try to do is, what is the place of blockchain? How do we bring in blockchain to be able to solve this problem? So like I said, the drone tracking as an aerial vehicular enabler is usually detection a bit, and then at the same time the blockchain, excuse me, so the blockchain aspect, while the AI was working, the blockchain aspect too was recording the time of the authentication and the speed. As you can see, the BC time represents the network time, and the DAP time is the interaction between the drone and the drone defense system. So because of time, let me just move to the next slide. So in conclusion,